for today is Mission Indradhanush. Now, this is a mission which aims at revamping the functioning of public sector banks, which at present are facing several challenges and they are ailing. It comprises of 7 steps, as the name Indradhanush is suggesting. The word Indradhanush means a rainbow of 7 colors. So this mission is about 7 steps. Now, the first step is, starting from the alphabet A, is the appointment. Now, under Mission Indradhanush, the topmost position in a bank is what is going to be divided between the MD and the CEO. At present, both these roles are something that is performed by a single person. The MD will be responsible for safeguarding the interest of the shareholders, while the CEO will look into the efficiency of the functioning of the bank. So, this is something that is going to happen under appointment. Next, there will be a Bank Boards Bureau for the appointment of the MD as well as the CEO. This will further be converted into a bank's holding company, which will hold all the shares that are at present with the government. So this is what Bank Boards Bureau is going to do under Mission Indradhanush.